Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to do a data analysis on a data set of Amazon products and categories. So let's get started. I will use the ID Jupyter notebook for that, for the analysis. This is my ID. And you can get the data set from here in Kaggle. So for example, if you go to Kaggle website and you search for Amazon product dataset, you can find like lots of datasets in here, and you can start working with any one of them. As you can see, there are like so many datasets available in here. So I got my dataset in here. I got one category and product dataset. These datasets are used. I can show you in here. You can see this is the product category dataset, and this one is the products dataset. This dataset like contains more than 1 million data, so it's very large. So it will give you an example of like real world scenario, because in the real world analysis fields there are like lots of data sets, like the lots of datas in one data set. So it's a good example to work with, to give you an like a hands of idea about how the organization or the companies works. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see, I'm inside my the folder where I put the data sets, and these are my Python files, what I'll use to work. Okay, let's get started. So I will import the necessary libraries for this analysis. Let's import pandas as pd and import numpy as np. Okay, it worked. Now I will load the data sets into data frames. For example, I'll name my first data frame df1, data frame 1, and I will load the file as like pd dot read csv as because my file is in csv format. If it's in excel format, you could write like read excel. So I will put the address in here. For example, I'll load Amazon products, Amazon products.csv. As you can see, the name of my file is in here, Amazon products.csv. Here you can see. Okay, so and my data frame 2 will be pd.readcsv. Select Amazon categories.csv. Okay. So my datasets are, I guess, loaded. Let's see. Yeah, it's loaded. Now let's find how many like rows and columns these two data frames have. For that, we can write like print. Let's make it a bit fancy, like product. Let's give it some introduction. Products data. It will show. I will use f string here for like writing a text. For example, total number of samples in product data will be. Yeah, it will take the df1 is products, right? Yeah. So df1 dot shape, and I will choose 0 in here. So you can see it works. Okay,